So in part C, we are told Darren has owned the car for n years, and the value of the car has become 10% of its original value. So we can calculate its final value. This will be $3,500. So we need to find how many years he has to own it for if we want the price of the car to be $3,500. So what we can write up is that after the first year, the cost was the value was this, and then we multiply it by 0.89 to the power of n. So we want to see how many years it has to happen, and this has to be less than 3,500. So to do this, we can take our calculator and find the value of n for when this equation is correct. So if we go into numerical solve, we can do 29,750 times 0.89 to the power of n. This has to be equal to 3,500, and we're solving for n. So we get that n is 18.36. But what we can do is that, well, we have to add another year because this was after the first year. So because in the first part of the question, we established that in the first year it decreases by 15%, and then we can use this geometric model of minus 11% only. So we can do 18.36 plus 1 year. This is 19.36, and if we have to round it up to a whole year, so we will have 20 years. He has to own it for 20 years.